Good day, welcome to King William's Everything. Today we have a Dell B130. Is it B130? B130. Got a complaint this guy was running really slow. Clean it for viruses, that kind of thing, check it for viruses. And that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to show you how to clean Trojan viruses off your computer. And these are 3 programs I use. They're all free. And I think it'll save you guys a lot of time and effort if you got a computer with a virus on it. But one thing it did have, this is Windows 7, so that's good, even though it's not supported anymore. That's all this is going to run. I had 1 gig of RAM, 1 gig of RAM. So I put in 2 gig of RAM. So you say, well, 2 gig of RAM, that's not very much. Going from 1 to 2 on this thing, enormous difference. But today we're going to show you how I clean viruses, and this is a simple way to do it. I use 3 programs, CCleaner, and they're all links below, Malware and Super Anti-Spyware. CCleaner doesn't clean any viruses, anything like that. It just cleans temp files. So it'll clean your internet history, Windows temp files, Adobe Acrobat temp files, all that good stuff. And the reason you want to do that is because Malware Super Anti-Spyware, even your virus scanner, when it scans every single file. So if you can delete 1 gig, 30 gig, 40 gig of temp files, that's going to save you a ton of time. Just time wasted scanning junk that you don't need anymore. So you run the CCleaner. Then you can run either Malware or Super Anti-Spyware. And I'd usually use, it depends on how I feel. Sometimes I do Super Anti-Spyware, sometimes Malware. But you can run them both. Run one, then run the other. I'll just kind of go show you the programs really quick. And I use, like I said, I use these 3, and pretty much I rarely ever had any failure where I couldn't clean something. There are some like ransomware and stuff like that. You need some special tools. But for the most part, if you just use general viruses, spyware, and all that crap, these 3 programs are going to save the day. So let's go take a look at those. We're going to go to ccleaner.com, and I actually like, there's a portable version, and that's the version I use because you don't have to do an install. You can use the free version, but it doesn't install. Just whatever you like. So we'll do a search for CCleaner Portable. And I'll put like a little link below for you guys to make it a little easier. We'll just go that, find it, and we'll do a download. And see there's a whole bunch of different versions of it. There's CCleaner Portable. So download that. Kind of go over here and we'll take a look at it, and I'll just kind of show you the like a little screenshot of it and kind of get an idea. You can go through on the left hand side and check the things you like or don't like. Sometimes you don't want to delete their passwords because they don't know their passwords, so you might want to check those options. A lot of options. You can leave it the way it is, or you can delete what you want. Then we're going to go for Super Anti-Spyware. So do a search for Super Anti-Spyware, and you can see there is a free edition. I believe there's also a portable version of this, but I'm just going to download the free one of this. That one's kind of nice, and you can leave it on the user's computer, and they can run it, every so often if they, like to get into bad things. They can just run it on their own. So you can see we'll download the free version, and we'll take a screenshot of that, and you can kind of see what it looks like. And this is kind of just after I ran it. So basically, it's you just run. You can do like full scan, a complete scan, that kind of thing. And you can see it did find a couple little things here. Nothing major, just some small stuff. But sometimes you'll just get a huge list of things. Really easy program. Basically, click the button, run it. And Malwarebytes, let's go to malwarebytes.org. And we're going to find the free version. You can see over here there is a free download. You want to make sure you get the right one because there's like a installed one that has like you have to pay for it. And we'll download that, and you kind of see what it looks like. Pretty simple. You can do a couple different kind of scans, like full scan, complete scan, custom scans, and stuff like that. Really easy, but at the end, it'll kind of give you a list of all the things I found. You say delete them, and deletes them. Pretty easy. And I'm going to show you here. I did upgrade the memory on this. I actually put another gig, so you see it's got just a whopping 2 gig of RAM now. But I tell you what, going from 1 to 2 on this thing, it's basically night and day. So that was, I think, its main issue. But there were some things on there, so I did some good cleaning. There you go. That's basically what I do. CCleaner, Super Anti-Spyware, or Malwarebytes, or both of them, and that'll pretty much clean a computer up fairly well. There are like some cases, I'm not going to go through every single one, but there are different things that these may not clean. In that case, you have to do a little more work, but for the most part, this is like generally 80-90%. That's what you want to do. This will save you guys a lot of time, and if you want to make some money, do it. Go for it, man. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. Hold on, that's you. Wait, whoa, you guys. Have a great day.